In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Crypto.com account and get started with buying, selling, depositing, and withdrawing cryptocurrency. Whether you're new to crypto or simply looking to use Crypto.com for the first time, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's kick things off by setting up your Crypto.com app account. First, you need to download the Crypto.com app, which is available on both the App Store for iOS users and the Play Store for Android users. Once installed, open the app and tap on the Create New Account button. You'll have a few options here. You can create an account using your email, or if you prefer, you can sign in with your Apple or Google account for a quicker setup. Next, it's time to verify your information. The app will prompt you to provide and verify your email address and phone number. You'll also need to complete an identity verification process, which is standard practice to ensure the security of your new account. After that, you'll be asked to create a secure passcode. Make sure to choose something that's strong and memorable to keep your account safe. With your account set up, let's move on to funding it. You have a couple of options for depositing funds. You can deposit fiat currency like USD through a bank transfer or by adding a credit or debit card. If you already own some cryptocurrency in another wallet, you can easily transfer it to Crypto.com by selecting the deposit option in the app. And if you're depositing USD, the instant deposit feature is a convenient option once you've linked your bank account. Now, buying and selling cryptocurrencies is as straightforward as it gets. Navigate to the Buy and Sell section within the app. You'll see a list of supported assets from which you can choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to buy or sell. Enter the amount you're interested in, review all the transaction details carefully, and confirm your action with your passcode or by using biometric verification. If you're interested in trading on the Crypto.com exchange, there are a few additional steps. Log into your Crypto.com app and go to Accounts. From there, navigate to your crypto wallet, choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to transfer, and select Transfer followed by Withdraw to the Crypto.com exchange. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. Once your funds are on the exchange, you can start trading by logging into the Crypto.com exchange. Select the trading pair you want to work with, such as BTC USD. Choose the order type that suits your strategy, market, limit, stop order, or crypto options, and place your order by entering the trade amount and price. Keep a close eye on your active trades and be ready to adjust your strategy as market conditions change. Finally, when you're ready to withdraw, select the withdraw option, and if needed, you can deposit it directly into your MetaMask wallet.